to understand that it takes more than just being cute and showing up on social media looking like an ideal couple. You know, you got to do the work for it.
No matter how great your relationship is, but have you experienced that couple's cabin fever type thing?
During quarantine, I think we were intentional of making kind of our space like a vibe.
Wow. So now that's unusual because daddy and his 21-year-old daughter and you're like 23, right? So that like...
There might be some relationships that aren't really meant to be together. Like you're not supposed to be with this person. It's like facing a mirror, right? You're facing this person every day. You're getting to see them as they wake up, brush their teeth and cook and go about their day. You see everything. So you get to know them on a totally different level.
To me, it was better. I mean, not that it improved, but it's always getting better.
And really embrace and remind yourselves why you fell in love.